Good morning. Let's pack today's lunchbox. Let's make a simple beetroot poriyal. Heat coconut oil, add in peeled and chopped beetroot, season with salt, saute for 2 to 3 minutes, add in a splash of water, cover and cook for 5 minutes. Now the beetroot is well caramelized, add in chili powder or black pepper powder, mix well. Your simple beetroot poriyal is done. Now let's make garlic pepper rice. Heat butter, add in chopped garlic and chopped onion, saute for 2 minutes, add in cooked rice. I'm using basmati rice here. You could use regular rice, season with salt and pepper powder, mix well. You could add a little bit of soya sauce in this, but I like to keep it simple. So for the lunch box, it's beetroot poriyal and garlic pepper rice, and my homemade pound cake is in her snacks box. The homemade pound cake recipe is already shared in my YouTube channel. Kindly check it. So this is what I packed in my kids lunch box today. Hope you like this video. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.